Well, welcome back everybody. I think we'll call this part 2 on this ALFA ROMEO 156 window fault. So in the previous video we sorted out the near side rear window, and now we have to do the same with the driver's side rear window. This one, unfortunately, the ignition is off at the moment. Let's just go and put the ignition on and then I'll show you what it's doing. See, with the switch down there, yeah, nothing at all. And with the switch on the door, nothing at all either. So we're going to split the switch out first of all and see if we've got any power at the switch. Right, after a bit of back probing, we don't seem to have any voltage at all at this rear switch. So the next step is to get a wiring diagram and see where the power comes from. I would imagine it comes from the front switch. So we'll look into that and we'll be right back. A lot of chasing about, looking at the wiring diagrams and things. What I found is on this rear switch, if it'll focus, there we go, on that red and white and that purple wire, they're the outputs of that switch. So if you look at the scope, don't know whether you can see that. And I click the up button and the down button, you get voltage. And if we go to the front door on this switch here, my finger is the right rear switch, looking over there at the Pico, down, up, down, up. So we've got voltage getting to the back from both switches. So we've got output. So now we've got to take the cover off again, off of this panel, and investigate the motor. And just in case you're wondering, I did load test that circuit with a 4-watt halogen headlight bulb, and it lights that quite well. So let's get the panel off and see what we find. Alright, sorry guys, I missed out a bit of filming there. After I got the door panel off, I had good feed to the motor. I tested it at the motor with a 55-watt H7 bulb. Good power there. Put direct feed to the motor itself, nothing at all. Give the motor a few love taps, nothing. Motor's dead as a door now. So I put it all back together, and he'll have to get himself a motor or a mechanism, because it all comes as one complete unit. So I think this will do for part 2 once I pop bolt all this lot back together, and we'll catch you again. Thank you for watching.